Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. This first one starts off with someone who has this very vibrant orange ginger toned hair. The stylist is cutting beautiful layers within this cut. He's also doing some very nice face framing bangs. And overall, I think that this is a beautiful transformation. I really wish we would have got a chance to see the before, but the after is absolutely stunning. So then we move into the next hair transformation. So the stylist started off with very long hair for this particular client, and he starts cutting away until the hair is shaped into this beautiful pixie haircut. Loving the overall shape within this transformation. The bangs are absolutely gorgeous. So then we move into a hair color transformation. Oh, so she went with this beautiful rose gold color. That looks amazing against her complexion. So then we move on to the next one. So she starts off with mid-length hair. Very nice. She ended up getting this beautiful lob. It does feature a middle part down the center, and the stylist added some curls for some texture. So moving right along, this one is going to feature a big chop. So she has straight ends and curly roots, which means she is cutting the hair down into this curly natural pixie cut. And then we see another curly pixie, followed by another one. Beautiful shape, her curls look gorgeous. And then we see more of a curly bob switch up. Loving her hair color. I think that it really makes her curls pop even more. And then we see a color change. So she ends up going from grown out colored hair to more of this vibrant blue bob. And then we see another curly haircut. So she got a slight trim with that one, nothing too drastic. And then we see the cutting of this bob. This is definitely Cleopatra vibes with this one. Blunt bangs. Nice face framing layers with this, with the bangs. This is gorgeous. So it looks like this stylist is very good at cutting blunt bangs within his clients. So if you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to like today's video. It really helps my channel out. And of course, you want to make sure that you hit that subscribe button if watching hairstyle videos is your thing. So the next transformation is going to feature another color change. She has really long hair with this one. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. Her hair looks so shiny and healthy. Beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope that you have enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. This lob is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful shape. I love the longer bobs. If you guys haven't done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as like today's video, and I will see you in the next one.